Cuba's economy is facing one of its toughest tests in recent years, following the devastating passage of Hurricane Melissa, now ranked among the most powerful storms ever recorded in the country. Early assessments point to extensive losses in housing, agriculture, and public infrastructure, with damage compounded by long-standing fuel shortages and power outages that have left businesses struggling to operate. According to UN Resident Coordinator for Cuba, Francisco PICHON, more than 3 million people were evacuated, and several municipalities already burdened by last year's Hurricane Oscar are now facing severe economic disruption.
The preliminary assessments of the impacts of the storm, more than 3 million people were exposed to these life-threatening conditions. About 32 municipalities in 4 provinces of the eastern part of Cuba, and this includes the second and the fourth largest city in the country, Santiago de Cuba and Holguín.
That was UN Resident Coordinator for Cuba, Francisco PICHON.